box at my kung bakit happy that I bought this one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming from the previous video, you already know what this video is for. It's for unboxing something that we bought earlier when we were driving to Trinoma from Power Mac. First time ko kasi makakita dito na makabili sa Power Mac ng galing sa box na ganito. Of course, you already know from the title as well. We're gonna be unboxing the white AirPod Max. Side note before we start unboxing. Meron silang nagbebenta pa sila ng Lightning and same price pa even though it's the older version. So, I don't know. Pero tara, let's unbox this. Yan, so this is the box. Again guys, I've already opened this sa store. But we're gonna do the official unboxing here. And this is the Starlight color. Pero hindi, sabi nila dumihin nun. Actually, nung pumunta ko sa store, trinay ko yung ibang colors. Kasi ito, sobrang dumihin. Yung makeup nung mga nag-try, nandun sa trial. White talaga yung gusto ko kasi pwede siyang ma-pair sa iPhone ko and sa iMac and sa iPad. So, sakto yung kulay. So, let's start unboxing this. Normally ba do we talk with unboxing? Pero yan. It's just like the regular. I don't see the appeal before kasi I actually have this from the Beats Pros which I really loved nung bata pa ako. So I didn't see the appeal of this until I saw it sa store. Even nung nag-Singapore ako to buy the iPhone 15, I did not see the appeal until I saw this sa store. As for the reviews, ito yung pangit nilang case. Smart case pero it does not protect this. Pero right now, I'm kind of happy that I bought this. So let's continue the unboxing. Comes with the smart case, same color, Starlight, and it's off-white ba? Yung ganito? Or creamy white? And then, yeah, we can open this later. Medyo pangit yung ito, yung flap. Even though they said it's leather, kinonfirm ko kay ate ganyan daw talaga. Kaya ewan ko kung ganun talaga yung benta nila. So what comes in the box is this, the smart case, the device, and also this thing. I think ito yung mga stickers. Hopefully, kasi hindi na sila masyadong naglalabas ng stickers. Sa iMac may stickers, pero let's see if there are stickers here. So, ayun, they don't do that anymore, I guess. And then we also have the cable, USB-C. After we open the actual smart case, there's nothing really special about unboxing. Pero yun nga, it feels premium, to be honest. Yun lang ang ayaw ko dito. Kasi I've also opened this sa store. Nag-end up siyang matatamaan talaga niya yung isa't isa dun. These are my first impressions. I think I'm starting to see yung kung bakit people like this headphones. Even though I don't think the price is worth it. Kasi 35,000 just for a pair of headphones. Ito ang favorite ko talaga since bata pa ako, yung Beats Pros. Beats Monster Pros. If you know this talaga, parang sobrang obsessed ako sa Beats. 25 ba nung binili natin? Pero gets ko naman wala inflation dati nung bata pa tayo. Pero I just don't get 35,000 headphones. Although ito kasi, medyo naiintindihan ko na kasi maganda talaga yung noise cancellation. And I think the mic even works well kasi na yung this part of the video, I think it's already recording using the mic. So, hopefully maganda. Pero, yeah, and it's not that big. Hindi katulad ng Beats Pros. It looks nice. Also, noise cancellation talaga, it really works. I think yun yung kung bakit sobrang recommended to, especially for Apple users, for our iMac, for our iPads, for our iPhone. Yeah, works well. Noise cancellation and transparency. But those are just my first impressions, and hope you enjoyed this video. I know sobrang short ng video kasi sobrang konti naman nung mga laman. Like this one, sobrang hindi worth it nitong case na to. Pero, can we do? Yun talaga yung Apple. But anyway, thank you guys so much guys for watching, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye!